I grew up in Michigan, where my childhood was spent playing sports and exploring the outdoors. Although my childhood might have looked typical from the outside, behind the scenes, it was a lot more complicated. When my parents went through their divorce, I saw firsthand how hard it was on everyone, including myself. That experience, those years, left their mark on me. At the time, I didn't know I'd become a family law attorney. I just knew there had to be a better way. When I began practicing law over 15 years ago, my first role was with a nonprofit, helping families who often had nowhere else to turn. I took on every divorce and custody case I could, wanting to make a difference. But over time, I started to see how the traditional legal system often made things harder, not easier. It treated families like opponents in battle, instead of people trying to move forward with dignity and peace. After many years working in other firms, I began to realize that these companies approach the industry differently than what I believed was best for the families involved. So, I built Easterling Law. We don't just handle cases. We help families transition from husband and wife to mom and dad, from conflict to resolution, from survival to peace.
Before Lindsay, I felt kind of lost in the fact that I was sort of stuck in an arrangement and an agreement that really wasn't working for us. And then I engaged with her and I realized I actually had some options, and I felt really good about the advice that she had given me, the clarity and the direction, and the way she really listened and took care of me. The light at the end of the tunnel was always knowing that she really understood what my goals were, and she was always doing everything she could to help me get there. She was such a good guide in the process that she really helped me be my best advocate when it really mattered.
I'm a mom, I'm a stepmom, and I'm a wife. We're always outside, skiing and hiking and traveling and making memories. I know what it means to fight for family. I also know that the courtroom should be your last resort. Some of the most rewarding moments are when I can literally see the shift, when someone who felt burdened walks out feeling free, not because they won, but because they found peace. They got their life back. That is the real win. We are not here to stir up a fight. We're here to guide you through the storm, calmly, respectfully, and with heart. If you're facing a hard chapter, we're here to help you close it with grace and step into whatever comes next, but stronger.